All right, hello everybody. This is Kevin from SKATEYOGI. I'm here at the home office, and I just got this box in the mail, and I don't know what it is. It says it's from Vermont, and I wasn't expecting anything from Vermont, so I figured I would make a little video of me opening the box, because I heard people like videos of opening boxes on YouTube, so I'm gonna open up this box and see what's inside, and if it's interesting, we'll share it. So if you're watching this, maybe it was interesting. All right, let's see. Nice little box from Uline. We use Uline. And here's what's in there. What is this? Oh, okay, I got my first clue. Chill Foundation. This is the Chill Foundation. It's their annual report. And from 2020, the Chill Foundation is a nonprofit that works with youth in the cities, underprivileged youth, giving them access to board sports like snowboarding, surfing, and skateboarding. We actually were the New York City skate partner last year. So they had, we provided our space once a week for their after-school program, along with some instructors. So they came from their agencies. There was youth staff, Chill staff on hand to do the program. They do like a core values program, and then our teachers were teaching, and we had skateboards and pads and everything for them. So this is from Chill, and there's more stuff in here. It says 25 years of Chill. From all of us at the Chill Foundation, thank you for your generous support over the past year. We are sorry that we are unable to celebrate together in Stowe, Vermont, but hope you will proudly display this award in recognition of your commitment to Chill's success. What? 25 years. So they've been doing this for 25 years. Burton Snowboards. 25 years. And what is this? No way. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Thanks, guys. This is really awesome. Kind of has that same vibe that we go for. It's wooden. It says, what is this? Chill, Ride, Inspire, Lead. SKATEYOGI has our name. Program Partner Award. In recognition of your generosity to Chill's Youth Development Program. Awesome. Oh, that's going to look nice at SKATEYOGI. We'll put that up on the wall. But for now, maybe I'll look at it. I'm going to put it here in the office. It's nice. I'm going to put that right there. I'll show it to you guys one more time. All right, awesome. Thanks so much, Chill. We can't wait to get back to working with you guys. I hope that for the fall skate program, we're back and that you guys can come back for another awesome season. We look forward to it. Awesome. So that was nice. That was a nice surprise in the box right here, that unmarked box from Vermont. Thanks, guys, for checking this out. If you like the video, like it. If you want to keep in touch, subscribe. I said that weird. Subscribe. Please subscribe. All right, awesome. Subscribe, comment below. What the first thing you're going to do when you're out of this stay-at-home situation? What's the first thing you're looking forward to? All right. For me, I'm going to go skate with a bunch of my friends. That would be awesome. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Bye.